In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Monday.com seamlessly, making it easy to manage and automate your workflows. Let's dive straight into the process of integrating these two powerful tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you'd like to connect your Google Sheets data. On the top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled Integrate, represented by a puzzle piece icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Integration Center, you'll want to search for Google Sheets. This should bring up the Google Sheets integration box. Click on it to proceed. Once inside, you'll discover a variety of pre-built automation recipes. These are designed to make your integration process even smoother. You might see options like, when a row is added in Google Sheets, create an item in this board. Next, it's time to connect your Google account. Look for the Connect button and click it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. During this step, it's necessary to grant Monday.com the required permissions to access your Google Sheets. Once you've done that, select the specific Google Sheets file that you'd like to connect. With your Google account successfully connected, it's time to pick an automation recipe that aligns with your workflow. For instance, you might choose a recipe that triggers the creation of a new item in Monday.com every time a row is added in Google Sheets. Or perhaps you prefer an action that adds a new row in Google Sheets whenever an item is created in Monday.com. Whichever option suits you best, select it and you'll be prompted to customize the fields. This customization ensures that the columns are correctly mapped between Sheets and Monday.com. Let's move on to testing the integration. To ensure everything is set up correctly, add a test row in your Google Sheet or a test item in Monday. After this, verify if it updates automatically in the other platform. At this stage, you may need to make adjustments to the mapping if anything seems off. Lastly, we want to automate and scale your integration. You can add multiple recipes if you'd like to achieve a two-way sync between the platforms. Additionally, using filters and conditions can give you more control over when updates occur. Don't hesitate to combine this integration with other automations for a fully automated workflow. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to connect Google Sheets with Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll create a more efficient, automated system to streamline your work processes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to achieve more with less effort.